So today I want to share with you a 3D printed desk stand that I found online for the Yaesu FTM-500 and 510 radios. I found this out on makerworld.com, and the person that posted it out there had originally created this for the FTM-150 radio. So looking at this, I couldn't find anything for my new 510, and I ended up finding this one, and I was looking and I thought to myself, you know what, I bet you the slide mount on the 500 and 510 looks to be exactly the same width as what they're using for the 150. So this is pretty cool. He's got, I think there's like 4 different builds on like one plate or in the one file, and you can choose. There's a flat model. I chose the one that's slightly angled. It actually has a notch in here for the mic holder. And I printed this on my Bamboo Labs A1. And with as fast as that printer is, it was still a slightly over 7-hour print on this. I did print it with just the standard black PLA. So it's got the cutouts in the back for all the connections. So let's show you how this thing works. So it's a little bit tight in here, but let's go to the back. It might have been better if I had disconnected the cables, and it basically slides in the tray. So you have to take off the sliding mount that it comes on, but that's basically it. And then you've got the slot on the side for your mic that goes in here. And then what's nice is with the way that it's angled, you still get all your sound coming out of your front speaker, and then of course, you know, the top speaker is unobstructed. But yeah, this is a great mount. This is exactly what I was looking for, and kudos to the guy that designed this and put it out. I'll leave a link to the print down in the description, and stay tuned. I've been experimenting with using the crossband repeat on this radio. I really wanted to use it in the case of on our nightly net meetings. I would like to be, maybe downstairs in a different room on an HT, and while I can hear our repeater with no problem on the HT, most of the time I cannot make it out to the repeater. It's about 18 miles away, and just being inside, I can't do it. So I found out a way to use the crossband repeat on this radio so that my HT will talk to the 510 on low power, and then the 510 will transmit it back out to the repeater at high power, of course, with the nice antenna. So anyways, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.